Hi Tonal Fam, I'm Coach Natalie, and today I've got your form in 5 for the single arm bench press. I love single-sided moves because they force your core to really support you, and you're gonna feel supported in this exercise if you set up properly. Lay back on your bench, feet are planted on the floor. They don't lose connection with it, so you're not going side to side. Squeeze your butt, belly button in towards your navel, and by squeezing your butt, you're gonna create this natural arch in your back that separates your back from the bench. So you don't wanna try to overextend here, but just by squeezing that butt, it lifts you up. Make sure that your weight is turned off from your smart handle, and then you bring it up to your chest here. I like to set it up above my chest before I turn it back on. And then I roll my shoulders down and back so that I get my shoulder joint into the correct position. I turn it on, and then I bring it down and press up. Your main job here is to not let that weight pull you over down to the side that you're loaded on. You've got to stay totally still except for that one arm that's moving. To bring it down, turn the weight off, and then go to one side. When I'm setting up the placement of my arms, I imagine that I've got my barbell in front of me, and then I'm going to break the bar. This is the position that my arm should be in when I'm coming down to the side. It's at 45 degrees instead of 90 degrees for my shoulder. So that 45-degree angle, my shoulder is in a safer position in that joint, and then when I press up, it rotates so that it's straight forward again. One more time, I'll show you that. I come to a 45-degree angle on the way down, I press up, and it rotates so that it's back to that 90-degree angle. This is just a little trick to keep your shoulder joint extra safe and happy. If you have any other questions about this exercise, let me know in the comments.